Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry, and today we're going to talk about a showing. What does it mean to have a private showing? Are you ready for one? Get ready. They ask me how I know it'll be okay. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained, amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. This is J. Lucky Henry. We're still talking about ways to showcase your property when it's on the market. So today we're going to talk about a showing. And this video is going to be a little bit from the side of a buyer. I'm going to give some tips for the buyer on how to utilize a showing effectively. So what is a showing? A showing is, according to realliving.com, is when a professionally scheduled appointment is made to view a property by a potential buyer. So there's a piece of property for sale, and someone interested, qualified to buy it, decides they would like to get a tour of this property. So they schedule an appointment with the listing agent and or the seller and their buyer's agent or representative. Now they're at the property, and here's my tips for how to utilize a showing most effectively. If you're in a buyer's market where sellers aren't getting top dollar, in fact buyers are effectively negotiating prices down from the list price, I would recommend after the open house you do a private showing. It shows a little bit of interest and commitment to the property, but more importantly, it gives you, the buyer, an opportunity to get more questions and uncover more of the motivation of the seller, so that when you do make an offer, preferably below listing price in this market, that you are able to tie in the terms most effectively going to allow you to get your offer accepted, because it's more of what the seller wants. The more time you can spend with the listing agent asking questions in that situation, the better of an understanding you can get of what the seller wants, the stronger an offer you can make, even without having to go up in price. Now, on the flip side, let's say it's a seller's market and things are going really fast. Every time there's an open house, the house sells. Sometimes they sell before. Keyword right there. Sometimes they even sell before. That's because someone has a good buyer's agent who's getting them into the property before the open house and doing their private showing, and they're able to make a strong offer and say to the seller, listen, I'm going to make you this offer. I want you to accept it before the open house. Put the pressure on, right? Because the seller's market, they got all this power, but you got to flip that. You got to get your private showing, right? And then you got to make a strong offer that convinces them to entertain that offer rather than go to the open house and see what they can get. So those are my tips on how to use it. My final tip actually, make sure you and your buyer's agent or your representative are always on the same page of what the strategy is and who's doing the negotiating and who's doing the probing and digging for the right information. Whether it's a buyer's market or a seller's market, always get on the same page so that during the showing, you guys know your objectives and these are the checklist items you want to get done and the questions you want to ask. It's been real, it's been 90. Tomorrow we're back with another video. We're going to talk about group showings. See you then. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it'll be okay.